This video is going to explain how to set yourself up as a first-time Logi pilot and what you need to do to be prepared. So, first thing you got to do is go to your fleet window. You go into your Neocom up here, you go down to Social tab, you go down to Fleet, click that window. It's a good idea, by the way, to have this fleet thing. You can drag it from here, put it onto your sidebar so you can click it nice and easy next time. This is the fleet window. When people talk about fleet window, they sometimes confuse it for the fleet chat. That's very different. That's down here. This is the fleet window. Right, in the fleet window, as a Logi, the most important tab is this one, History. How to set this up. Now the first thing you need to do is go down to the bottom right. You've got some different arrows. It needs to be set to this 4 pointed arrow thing, pointing in all different directions. Then you need to go to the filters up here, and it needs to go to the broadcast history filter. Okay, now in this window, this is how you Logi. You don't do it from your overview, you do it from this window here. When somebody broadcasts for reps, somebody broadcast for reps, please. Okay, armor, shield, different things. It'll appear here. What you can do, you can, right-click lock. That's a bad idea. What you should do, hold down the control key, and you can click on these things, and it will lock them for you. This is how you know that somebody needs to be repaired. This is the fastest and the best way to do it. Another good way to do things, which you should probably do on the side anyway, is add things to your watch list to repair. So our FC is Oso, this guy here. Go to the fleet chat window, I right-click his name, fleet, add to watch list. This is even faster. If he's taking damage on these little bars, I can see his shield, his armor, and his hull. That's a nice fast way to do it, especially in a small gang. In a big fleet, you use this more. A small gang, you use this more. In your watch list, you can drag any other person you want, and the maximum number of people you can have is 15 on this tab. You can also Control A here in the fleet chat window and drag everybody, as many as it can take, 15, into that window. Okay, that's that. Something I forgot to mention, if you go into the fleet window and your broadcast settings, you can go up here, click broadcast settings. This is actually quite important. When you're Logi, you need to have this armor ticked, you need to have this shield ticked. It's a good idea if you're in an armor fleet or a shield fleet, have them both ticked. Sometimes you're in a shield fleet and someone will broadcast for armor. That's a mistake. He obviously wants shields and you need to rep him anyway. Good ideas generally have these ticked. When you're DPS, you probably want to have just target ticked, but when you're a Logi, you probably want to have these ones ticked. Another cool thing you can do is change the colors so they appear different colors over here. Okay, different thing. That's my armor one, for example. And if I broadcast this target, it'll be red. So you do that by clicking this little box, these colorless boxes, if you haven't done it before, and then you just you choose a little color, whichever one you want.